you what's in the kit. If you're waiting to buy the kit will be available on the 5th of the month, and this is everything that is in the kit. So you've got your enamel dots, you've got some foam mount circles, got your laser cut, the happy birthday embossing folder, creative cuts, I've got those golden stars, the tiny hex stencil, that's the Artie Hypno stamp I was showing you before. We have got these pearls, the silver pearls. This is the lowercase white alpha stickers, your watercolor cut apart, your regular cut apart, the magazine, which of course has all of the cards and layouts, instructions ones, inspiration ones. It's just full to the goog of amazing things. A couple of sheets of our watercolor cardstock in the 360 GSM, and the collection pack. So that is available on the 5th of May if you're waiting to get the kit. Everything else is available on our website now.